this fall season, I'm giving my patio a cozy makeover. Lots of warm tones, touch of gold, especially the traditional burnt orange, which is timeless, cozy color, and that really captures the beauty of the season. I can't wait to show you guys how it turned out. I covered the chairs from dust and rain because it's been raining lately. As I speak now, it's even drizzling, and when I was even making the video. Hi family, trust you are all doing wonderfully well, just as I am here by God's grace. To you all my returning subscribers, I love you all to the moon and back for always stopping by to watch another video and spending some of your time with me. And if you were new here, I'm so excited to have you join this growing community. Please, after the video, if you love what you saw and you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Now, let's dive into the video. Thank you. I'm moving stuff out, clean the window, side and wall, or however it's called, and we will proceed to hang in this beautiful color combination garland I found from Hobby Lobby. Wall cleaning done. Now let's move on to hanging the garland. I actually didn't want to move the chairs to wash them again because I did that summertime, but I just did a light cleaning by wiping them. But I'm sorry, I couldn't find a clip to insert. I moved all the chairs away from the curtains to be able to hang this beautiful garland. Okay, so now let's move on to clean the end tables with this warm water and soap. And after I cleaned the end tables with warm water and soap, I thought to just clean the glass top again with a proper glass cleaner. I'm laying this beautiful rag first before I bring in the coffee table, and it feels so warm already to the feet just looking at it. I'm beginning with this beautiful wood tone pumpkin shaped tray from Home Goods last year. I added few other stems to this arrangement from the bathroom video, and I added a candle, pumpkin, and a snuffer. I'm bringing in the coffee table to clean the glass top, and then we will begin to decorate, styling. Okay, so for height, I'm adding these 2 books from Magnolia, and I am setting this beautiful fire pit we did the last time, and I'm going to just wrap it around with this beautiful swag I used to from Hobby Lobby. And that's done for the coffee table, and I love it so much. Look at it, guys. It's looking beautiful already, and we're just starting. Absolutely love it. Now let's move to the end table above the fire pit. I am just laying those leaves on the end table, and these 3 candle holders, I scored them from Ross a few months ago. They are so gorgeous. I love them so much. And moving on to the end table by the storage door, I added the core storage books for height, and these gorgeous wicker vase floral arrangements are from Amazon. The pumpkin shaped battery operated candle holder is also from Home Goods last year. And I added a small pumpkin later on, which you guys will see later in the video. And I also added this 12 by 20 pillows in the chairs. I'm proceeding to add this 18 by 18 pillows in the remaining chairs, and will link all items used in today's video if anyone is interested. These wicker candle holder are from the at-home store. They need some TLC. I know it's been a long time. I've had it for so many years, and the color is even fading. And also these gold and black candle holders are from the Home Goods store about 3 years ago. Now let's hang this beautiful wreath to the door from Hobby Lobby, and we'll be done with this decorating. And it's a wrap, guys, with my little fall patio transformation. I'm honestly so in love with the end result. The burnt orange accent and the gold touches bring such warmth and comfort. It just feels like autumn gave the space a hug. There's something so special, guys, about slowing down and creating a cozy corner for you and family. This year, I do really want to fall in love and enjoy the space, as fall is one of my favorite seasons, and not hurrying to decorate again in a few weeks because since Christmas gets so cold to sit outside. Whether that's through pillows, pumpkins, or just a cozy blanket, I hope this video gave you a few ideas and inspires you to bring those fall colors into your own homes. Please subscribe so you don't miss up on any upcoming videos for the season and Christmas. Like, comment, and share to friends and family. And until next time, guys, you know what I'm about to say. Please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.